Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a report in LibreOffice Base. Now, in order for us to do that, you have to take note that tables have to be made already for this one. We're going to head over to reports and the use wizard to create a report is what we're going to use. And then you're going to choose the table that you have done, or the queries rather. And then I'm going to head over and click this one right here. I can go ahead and click next. And then here in the report, you have the option to change the field that you have made in your tables. So say for example, date here, I'm going to change it to a birthday. And then I'm going to change this to math grades like that. Click next. And then like this once again, sort by, I'm just going to leave it in that. But you can definitely sort it by, say for example, a math grades to the highest. And yeah, say something like that. And then choose layout. I'm going to leave it at that, create a report, and then I'm just going to click finish. And there you go. So now we have created this table right here. You have the option to edit this one. If there are things that you don't want here, for example, if you don't want columns, you can definitely just go ahead and delete that, or rows rather. So yeah, I can go ahead and delete this one here, for example, just like that. So that all that is left is going to be just a column at the top, and those down below are not. We're gonna mark this as 0. And yeah, that's how you're going to create a report here in LibreOffice Base.